my god, what the fuck? It has difference. The way how it pulls. Oh my god. Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to this first ride video of after installing this KTM high flow air filter. This is a spontaneous video. I was not planning on doing this first ride video, but I'm actually out riding now and I actually can tell the difference. It pulls a little bit harder, so why not, right? And let's see what my reaction is. It gave me a little bit of a shock at first. I wasn't expecting that. It actually pulls. Yeah, trust me, it actually pulls. I don't want to say if it's a big difference or not, because I don't think I'm in the right state of mind to judge right now, because I just changed the air filter. It might be a placebo effect, but god, the way it goes, it's different, man. I can feel that it breathes so easily. Wow. And by the way, I haven't do the ECU flash on this bike just yet, because yeah, I just installed it like what, 1 day ago. Yeah, so yeah, I'm looking forward to a flash. I think after the flash, it would be better. Woo! It's a different riding experience, I would say. This is awesome. The bike suddenly becomes, it has a little bit more punch actually, if I were to put it this way lah. Yo! Sound-wise, I don't think I can tell if there's a difference or not. But just now when I was pulling hard, I kind of can feel, I'm not too sure if it's my helmet or it's just the sound of the induction. It kind of, I kind of hear like a bit lah. That's why I'm not too sure if it's my helmet or not, because this helmet is not quiet. Look at how it pulls. Ooh, it's different, man. This mod completely shocks me. It surprises me. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be, you know, having such a big difference on the performance. But yes, I'm planning to do a flash after this. Maybe not too soon, but I think I'll try to ride with it like for about a month and see, and then get used to how it feels. What I'm gonna do next is, hold on, let me just cross this first. I'm probably gonna add a cat delete if I can find one. And then after that, I will do the ECU flash. And that mod, I think, is going to be one of the biggest performance mod I'm going to do lah in this near future. But in the far future, I don't know, I can't promise. But yeah, I just want to talk a bit about why did I actually get a KTM air filter. So initially, my thought was like, okay lah, my filter is about to on its end of the life already, because I'm at almost 10,000 kilometers now. So it's about time to change the old OEM filter, like replace a new one. So one filter costs about 100 plus, and it's not reusable, so you have to throw it away after when it got really dirty. So I was thinking lah, you know what, might as well I just get a reusable air filter like the performance one, KTM, DNA, BMC lah, whatever lah. I don't mind as long as like it's reusable. So I mean, in the long run, I can save some money lah. I don't have to spend like unnecessary money lah. And also it's a performance air filter, which means it can suck more air, which means better performance, right? It's like a all-in-one package. So yeah, why not? So I went on the internet, I saw these KTM filters on sale, so I just clicked add to cart. The next thing that I know, I installed it. Yeah, it's today. Wow, it's a It's a big difference. I don't want to say it's a big difference, but it's a good enough difference. 300 ringgit can give me. I mean, like, this filter is gonna pay for itself also, right? In the future. Yeah, 300 ringgit is not a lot, but because I'm planning to keep this bike for a long time, so yeah, I don't have to always replace the OEM filter, right? I can just wash, clean it, and then reuse it again. So yeah, in this aspect, it's gonna save a little bit of money lah. It doesn't have to save much, but it's gonna pay for itself either way. So yeah lah, that's why I changed to a performance air filter. It's not because of its performance mainly, it's because of its reusability. So yeah, I think it's pretty much it. This first ride video was unexpected, but hey, I'm happy to share to you. I'm happy to actually turn on my camera and record a bit of exhaust sound. And you know what? A good reaction. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, and you know what to do, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.